Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca and today's Tuesday, so it's time to see what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This video is for Tuesday, December the 19th, 2023. So let's go shopping and see what is new. Over in Apparel and Accessories, they had a bunch of these Bay Island t-shirts. They are sportswear. They had them from small all the way up to extra large in this color blue. They also had some more of the infinity hats, but I only found them in the color light pink, and they had quite a few of those. There's probably about 12 to 20 depending on which store I was at. I found a bunch of the slippers. They have the Juncture brand slippers in children and adult sizes restocked. They have some new styles out, like some that have more of a shiny satin finish, the fluffy or the more softer and Sherpa feel. There's a bunch of different varieties out there. Over in the arts and crafts, they had a bunch of sheets of the adhesive diamond wrap and a whole bunch of different colors and the ombre look, or you can get the sheets of the gemstones. They had those in pink, green. You could also get red. They had the white and yellow. You could get the heart shapes as well. They had those in pink, yellow, the white, blue, red, and green. I believe you get 117 of the hearts. The gemstones, you get a little bit more just because of the size. They had some heart stickers out for Valentine's Day as we get closer to moving past Christmas. Here, as the days approach, they've got the 6-piece of heart-shaped stickers, and then we've got the vellum paper with the hearts on them. There's 6 sheets there. I found some more of the large one-step tie-dye kits for just $1.25. That is the Tulip brand. You get 54 pieces for just $1.25 price points. That's a great find if you could find them at your local store. Over in the baby and toddler items, they have this Boggin Head Passy Grip. You get 2 pacifier clips for the $1.25. There's the one with the boho rainbows or the polka dots, and it has the tie and the metal clip, and it shows you how to work them on the back there. We've also got a bunch of their little baby booty socks, either the smaller pair or the 2-pack with the small pair of the booty socks and the grippies on the bottom. Some new headbands for the little ones, smaller sizes for the babies, and the 4-pack of the Pediasure Grow and Gain shakes, and those, like I said, came in the 4-pack. Over in the health and beauty, we'll first start with the cosmetics. They had their Be Pure nail wraps. We've had these before. They're always very popular. You get 12 pieces in each packet. We've got the blue with the flowers, the mottled paint. There's also the pink pastels with the background. And then they had the glitter with the blue. There's also the pink, white, and black, the purple, white, and gold. There's the soft lilac, almost like a mauve color with the gold and white. And then there were also the Be Pure nail decals. And you get, I believe it was 26 pieces in the pack. It might have been 24, but you get these gold decals in each pack. You've got some of them just was like a solid sheet that you'd have to cut apart. And then this pack here, you get 43 pieces because there's a little bit smaller things like stars. For the hair care, we've got some new headbands with the top knot. Some have the lace with the pearls on the side, which is really pretty. Also has that knot at the top. You can see how decorative the lace is with all the pearls attached. And then we've got a ribbed look. They had those in black and in gold. Here's a view from the side so you can see it just a little bit better. It's got some shine to the material. This is the gold one. And I'll show you guys that one from the side as well so you get a better view. They had a bunch of different scrunchies. The ones I found that we haven't seen yet would be this black and white one with the gold trim. And then the scrunchy brown one with the little bow on top. There's also these spa fillable bath brushes. They have those in pink, purple, or in gray. Has the little bristles on the side. And then for the pharmacy and personal care items, they had these TXT Prussians Band-Aids. It comes with this really neat, nifty carrying packet, so you can bring them with you like in your purse. We've got some detoxifying facial scrub by Global Secret Care. It just says it has like retinol. It's for brightening and exfoliating. There's the 3-pack of the heart-shaped nail files. They had these out last year around Valentine's Day. You got like the cheetah print, the lips, and then the XOXO printed on them. Or you can get this 2-piece Heartbreaker nail buffer by Diamond Cosmetics, and then the glow serum, the moisturizer, and the toner in the watermelon scent by Be Pure. For the fun finds this week, we just have a bunch of the CDs. They had a few boxes of them actually. They have a whole bunch of different versions, and some of them had stickers on them that showed that it actually came over from Big Lots. I don't know if they still bought these on like some big bargain or something, but has a $5 price tag on them from Big Lots, but they are just $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Then I found these stretchy food secret menu little toys. They look like hamburgers, like a waffle sandwich or just a regular sandwich, and they're different layers of stretchy toys with all the different pieces. You could build it or stretch it and play with it. They're more kind of like a sensory toy. They also had the little desk set trash bins and the neon green. They had blue and pink with the recycle symbol on the front, or you could also get them with the trash symbol on the side. Now for the home decor, I showed these last week as well, but I found them at a few more stores. They have the star wooden hook. They have them in gray and in white, just in the large size. Sometimes they'll sell them in a smaller size in a 2-pack, but this is just the one that you get for the $1.25. They had some new candles, these really pretty gemstone kind of style glass holder. The blue one was the Night Jasmine. It's a 3-ounce candle. And then you could also get the light green. That one is the eucalyptus. It's a view from the side. And then this one here is the Cinemagic, which I believe is a cinnamon scented candle. It's kind of like a soft amber color. And then the pink one, it's kind of like a peach actually. It's called mulled wine. That one smelled really good. They had some more of these beaded tassels that say gather with the gray and brown. There's also a white and brown and a blue and brown. If you could find those, that was the last one I could find. These wicker hearts, they have them in the gray, the white, and the natural wood. It's on a wire frame and it has a hanger at the top. Then there are these framed box sets here that say together. It holds a 5x3 photo. Here's a view from the back. You can see where you could put the photo in. And then you could get this one that says blessed on the bottom. It's kind of like a mirrored finish on the word blessed and together. There's the floating frames that say special teacher. At the bottom, it holds a 4x6 photo. It has some stars in the background. And then there's the blessed teacher. It has a heart. It also holds a 4x6 picture. Over in the office supplies, library, teaching tree section, they had the felt desk tray organizers. There's a couple different sizes. Those are similar to the hard plastic organizers that they have out right now with the kind of copper bottom or just the clear. And then they've got the felt. They had their bookends restocked. They say inspire. They have this bluish gray color, the bright magenta pink, and then the bright purple. There's the Crayola modeling clay. You get 10 pieces, and it is a 3-ounce box. They also had their tablet holder. It's a tablet stand in white. It's one solid piece, and it'll hold your tablet at an angle. The housewares, maintenance, storage items. They had these manual open umbrellas with a polyester cover and a steel frame. You could either get them in blue or black for $1.25. There's also the galvanized metal and twine flower pots, and they have them in a new, shorter, wider size. Over in the kitchen and pantry, they had these 3-pack of coffee. There's like chocolate peanut butter. There's butterscotch caramel and the maple. There's vanilla creme brulee coffee pods, and there's also this new Power Light hydrating electrolyte drink in the tropical fruit test flavor. I also found this coffee mug. It says I got it from my mama with the hearts on the side. The party supplies, we've got the bubble balloons in the 2-pack in the pink, white, and blue. They've restocked the table cover that looks like an ombre rainbow, and then the polka dot, kind of like speckled rainbow look. There's also the happy birthday sunglasses in pink, yellow, there's red, blue, and green. For the seasonal items, they have their Valentine's Day soap. This one's lavender scented with the purple love in the middle. And that is just the pink bar of soap. They also have the rose scented soap with the little hearts on the sides, and those are in those red box gift sets. And they're starting to put out their boxed candies for Valentine's Day as well. Right now they just have the smaller candy boxes out. They have their party pails in the pastel colors as they start gearing up for the Valentine's Day items to make their way out. You can get those in lavender, the mint green, pink, like a really soft pale pink, and white. They had a few more of their Christmas items out, like this really pretty box set with a candle in it with the Christmas scent. They have the pomegranate punch. It's got these silver snowflakes on the side. I love the box. It makes a really nice gift. They also have one with the gold foil. That one is the berries and evergreen candle. And then they had the solid green topper, has the Christmas trees on the side. That one's called Snow-Capped Fir. And then the solid red top box here, the decorative box, that one is the spiced orange and cranberry. And those are 3-ounce candles. For the toys, games, puzzles, entertainment, they've got some new stuffed llamas. These are like a little tiny miniature stuffed animal. They have the unicorns, some llamas, there's alpacas, I believe there's a koala bear. It's just a bunch of new little stuffies that they have out. This one's the llama, there's the koala bear, and then my personal favorite is the little flamingo. It's really cute. It's got the bright pink feet and this little nose. It's really cute. They have some little puppy dogs in a couple different colors. They're all wearing a bow tie. So you've got the light brown, the dark brown, or the white. There's these little coloring activity art sets with the markers, stickers, and coloring pages. We've got like Spider-Man, Disney Princess, Disney Junior, Minnie Mouse, and Gabby's Dollhouse. They also have the Gabby's Dollhouse Color Forms Fold and Go sticker set. That's the jumbo sticker set with 3 background scenes. And then they also have the new Little Mermaid in the same style set. There's the little tech deck, turbo wheels, miniature skateboards with the ramps. Those are always popular with the little ones. And then the Dollar Tree Plus items, which are the $3 and $5 items. They've restocked these signs that say Happy Holidays and Joy to the World in the red and the green with the beads and the burlap. They have a bunch of these throw blankets for $5. They have the buffalo plaid and some reindeer on the sides. And there's some with polar bears also, or they have the striped blankets. And those are like 50 by 60 inches. They also have their gray plaid slippers restocked. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And check back on Friday to see what else is new for the rest of the week at the Dollar Tree. And I'll see you guys then. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.